Oh my guy, since I started this my rental business, I never see one property sell. I know be say the houses they know they fine o. But yeah, just imagine, see this 5-bedroom duplex, they fully detached carry swimming pool join. I never fit still sell am. No be say e dey for bad area, una for Ikota, GRA is still there. But I never fit still sell any property.
You no go ever sell am.
I had to say you be my guy, which one be I no go see property sell now?
Yes, you no go ever see one property sell. As a man, you go dey sell house for Lagos. They no tell you. Man no dey sell house for Lagos, oga. For a man to sell house in this Lagos or sell any property, you guys use juju or use jude. Something dangerous must be involved. Even as a woman, before you go sell house for this Lagos, you guys be naturally and physically endowed, well-rounded and well-sorted.
Wow.
Yes, now. Female rector wey no get nyash, you know, they take client follow me. Let's go see aga. We have to. Yes, so I get idea for you. Yes, come and tell you. You dey make me want to go Sokoto, fly away, go Jokoto. Call your name, Asan Kotoko. Asa, listen, you don't reach where all those men with your DM go dey useful.
Bam.
You understand? I get deal, very sharp deal. You understand? 5-bedroom, fully detached duplex where they inside the Kota GRA, sharp area inside this Lagos. I go send you the video. Make I send that for you. Now, where your phone? Make I send you the video so that you go send them to all those men with your DM. Use your head though. Make you cash out. You understand? Send them to them. Say this house they sharp. Make them come buy them. Know that kind of vibe. They'll come buy and we'll get percentage.
I talk truth.
Yes, now.
You know, you go reach 40%.
Paul is going up there, they go down.
You go reach 40%. How much do you know of the house you can collect?
Please, fine, well.
Very sharp house now.
And I say Kota a day.
Inside the Kota sharp area.
You know waiting. I know who could buy this house.
Ah, I believe you.
I get persuaded on that.
Date fine girl, make your girlfriend fine.
Baby Makachuku Makagene, I believe you.
I'm so sorry for keeping you waiting.
It's okay. Hey, how are you doing? You look good.
Thank you so much. So this is the building I was telling you about.
Okay.
Wait. Come on, wait on. Come now. Come now, waka fast. I go begin shout to. Hey! What be your ex be that?
So this is not my ex. Wetin happen?
So you've been in communication with your ex. Come on, I know they block rich S.
Okay, you go sell house, abi you no wan sell. Person who wan buy the house matter, no be money you dey find.
Let's go. Yeah, well done, Chama.
So, no, all is well. So this is a fully detached 5-bedroom duplex. It's so beautiful, spacious, everything is in it. So this is the living area. It's so beautiful. Like I told you, you're gonna love it.
Now leave her hand now. You come for building inspection or they ask for a hand in marriage. Oh! You do this romantic, you break up with her.
I'm so sorry about that. Let me show you to the kitchen, okay? We have the washing machine here. Yeah, this is the microwave. There's the fridge, everything, oven, fridge, everything.
Okay, concentrate. Listen to what she dey tell you. She dey tell you say there is microwave, there is refrigerator, there is oven, everything is not there. They touch her face. Are you a makeup artist? Hey! Overdo, now you go put you for problem.
It's really beautiful. Look at it everywhere, fully equipped. So this is the master's bedroom. This is the wardrobe area. This is the toilet. It's so beautiful. Trust me, I love it. Hope you love the place.
Yeah, it's very beautiful, just like you, you know. You know you've always been awesome.
What did happen now? Again, honey client, tell her how. What is it? Since you got here, you have been touching. What did they touch her for? No, who carry her go inside? Go and knock her. Come on, her clothes. Unzip her bra. It's like 4 hooks. 4 hooks. Unhook the hooks. Sleep with her. Say you won't buy house.
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry about that, okay?
Honey client.
Jesus.
What's your problem? You see what you have caused? You will use your bad character. Chase our customer. Come on. Bad character.
Then go.
Now you go buy this house.
Another person will buy it. This is a very nice house. People will buy it. It's affordable.
I beg, leave me, Joe. You just the complain since they complain.
I want to say this building now. Hello.
See what your mouth cannot talk.
Let's have it. Are you a rector? Do you sell properties?
No, I don't.
No, come, I will teach you, yeah? You have the potential. My babe, they fuck up.